What's this?
Free trip to Japan.
Free trip to
For
Japan.
I think that's 4 days, 5 days and 4 nights if I'm not mistaken.
Kwento.
Maximum of, magkano ang amount?
Minimum spend of 2,000
Ah,
pesos. They get to
minimum.
have an official entry to fly
Ay.
to Japan.
Oh,
Who knows?
that's...
Baka mamaya ikaw yung kasama nila, ikaw yung plus
Ikaw
one.
yan, Ash.
Sana, kasali niyo naman ako.
What if,
Direct.
Tara,
Direct.
sama tayo din.
Sir Dre, what if fly to Japan with Ash? No? Sama si Ash, pwede. Nakapag-Japan ka na?
Oo, before. First class.
Nakapag-Japan na kayo? Hindi pa. Kaya,
Japan surprise.
Iba yun, mali naman.
At least may Japan. Tama yun.
Pasok pa rin.
Tama yun.
Tapos ilagay mo sa location sa IG story. Ano yan? Osaka. Pero nasa surplus ka lang. Di ba? Okay, pero let's go to Direk Paul Basilio. Ayan. The man that you are, Direk. Grabe, you have done multiple creative stuff. I mean, with the mastermind that you are. Pero what was the most memorable part during the production of Ash's commercial? Can you describe the overall atmosphere sa set? Paano kayo? How did you guys... Kwento mo kami direct.
Yeah, well, during that time, I think it was the time also when you were shooting the film and yung ginagawa natin yung mga preparation for the shows. So, we've worked with Ashton a lot, especially during the Viva Arcada, the last concert that we did.
Yes.
Coming from there, we believe and we understand na syempre coming from our own mucha.
Of course.
Kailangan namin maghanap ng endorser for Boteju na talaga naman will carry one of our best products, which is the Donburi rice balls. So, syempre, saan pa kami hahanap kundi sa sarili nating mucha ng Viva. Kaya naman sobrang excited kami and sobrang happy kami that si Ashton ang ating kinuha. Kasi
Of course.
talagang alam namin na susundan siya hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas kasi eventually both of you will, explore other parts of the world and that's gonna be soon to happen.
Manifesting that, direct.
Amen.
Pero di ba, top in mind nyo si Ashton talaga. There's no other person na deserve at credible na mag-endorse ito kundi Ashton Olvida lang. I will vie.
Yes,
I will vie for this woman over here. Ashton Olvida, yan. Okay. How did you work with Ashton direct to achieve the desired output na kinalabasan nito? How was Ash? How was everything?
Well, based on our experience with Ash, when we were working together during the concerts, alam ko naman she can deliver more than 100%. So, marami kaming ginawa na to, preempt everything, pero this is not just the first commercial for Ashton. Gagawa pa tayo ng iba pa para sa kanya. So, looking forward to that and we're very happy to have her as the endorser for the Donburi rice balls.
One of many. Ano naramdaman mo naman dun, Ash?
Siyempre, sobrang blessed ako nun. Kasi nung nag-start ako with Viva, kapag nanonood kami ng mga premiere night, ang direkta po talaga kami after movie. Kakain kami sa Boteju.
Matik yan eh.
Diba?
Matik.
Yun talaga, bukod sa movie, nilulook forward ko talaga yung pagkain
Yung
sa
after.
Boteju. Oo. Kaya ngayon na napili ako as endorser, sobrang laking bagay po nun. Kasi parang looking back, parang dinidream ko lang din siya before. Yun.
Na finally, yung kinakainan mo every after
Oo.
premiere night or movie,
Oo.
ikaw na yung nag-e-endorse dun. At mukha mo yung makikita mo dun sa
Oo,
restaurant na yun.
Uy, kilala ko to ah.
Di ba parang, oy, parang
Bakit ah?
parang full circle moment para sa'yo, Ash. Di ba? Grabe, what a beautiful blessing para sa'yo. Pero, direct, how about sa wardrobe niya, sa commercial, dun sa makeup? Sino ang nag-instruct or nag-decide?
It's a collaboration between the teams,
Yeah.
especially of course with the brand. So, syempre dapat yung character ni Ashton, the way we see her, especially sa Boteju. So, dapat tumatak ito hindi lang sa lahat ng tao, kundi sa buong mundo na pag sinabi mong Donburi rice balls,
Matik.
Ashton yun. Kaya ngayong campaign natin na Masharap, siya na yun eh. Masharap.
Siya na yun? Siya na yung masarap. Sobrang sarap naman ng Donburi rice ball. Totoo nga naman yung direct. Pero, how do you measure the success direct if of TV commercials after it airs, paano mo masasabi na, minahal to? I've done a great job. Paano mo nasasabi yun direct in your own POV?
Well, number one, of course, pag nag-post kami, the moment we posted the TVC, nagulo na yung buong Facebook tsaka Instagram at lahat yun gumalaw kaagad. Automatic, right after that, maraming nagpunta sa stores at sinubukan kaagad yung Don Buri Rice Balls. So,
Really?
ganun siya kalakas sa amin.
And to be fair, let me just say this. If it's Ashton, ang taas ng engagement, it shows how much. No, seriously, di ba? Sa lahat ng social media platforms, if it's you, it's like, mababa na yung 800,000 na ano, di ba? So, it really goes to show that your fans love you and
Totoo,
the
yeah.
brands, they really believe in you. They have faith in you, Ashton.
Mga supporters talaga yun, kaya thank you so much.
Amen! Amen! Diba? Ashton Alviga. Kaya naman, ito direct. For sure, sa social media na nanonood sa atin or maybe the fans here. If you could give one tip, diba, to an aspiring with a V. To an aspiring, let's say, TV commercial director, ano ba yung advice na maibibigay mo sa kanila?
For a director to aspire to
Yes.
that one, well, ano lang, siguro just love your craft. Kailangan mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, and then siguro look towards mga directors na accomplished na para maging mga mentors mo. So you have to become part of that group para maturuan kanila to become successful as well.
Oh, palakpakan naman natin yun, guys. I'm sure napakarami sa inyo naghahangad na maging parte ng ganitong klaseng industriya, di ba? And hello, it's the Superman of concerts, as I would love to call Direk Paul Basilio, di ba? Sir Dre, how is it? I mean, narinig ko yung perspective at the POV ni Direk. Pero in your POV bilang general manager, how does it feel na yung kinuha yung endorser is as youthful, as marketable as Ashton Olviga? Anong nararamdaman mo?
I think Boteju is really heading towards tapping new markets. If we get to start before, we used to have 30 plus and all and above, but now we wanted to tap the younger market, which they are currently the followings of none other than
Younger.
Ashton. So, what our goal is really to create a bigger market for Boteju, and I think we firmly believe that it's through Ashton and the likes of Ashton, it's really gonna fly. So right now, as mentioned by Direk, by the moment that we launched Ashton as a new endorser for Boteju, and specifically for the Dalburi, it really increased. There has a significant growth already. And it hasn't been officially launched at that time. How much more now that we're officially launching Ashton? So we're expecting a lot more for Boteju and through Ashton.
I love it. Talakpakan naman natin yan, guys. And you know what? Before we head on to the next part of this program, can I just say, Ashton is the best endorser for this. Why? Because as a woman, as a girl na hindi naman parte ng show business like you guys, you can see yourselves in her. Na I can dream like her, I can be like her one day, and I can, someday pwede akong maging kagaya ni Ash. That's why she's so relatable, di ba? Do you agree with me? Kaya naman, palakpakan natin, nalaman natin yung kasagutan na dito sa portion na to. Congratulations, Ashton! Big kudos to, of course, Direk Paul, and of course, Sir Dre, maraming salamat. Everyone will surely be keeping an eye out for what is next. Sabi nga ni Direk, this is just the first one. Napakarami pa nating commercials for Ash. And I'd like to open the floor to our dear media partners. May mga magtatanong dito from the media industry.